And good afternoon. Okay, well, as I'm one not to do tutorials because I feel like most people know what they're doing, I just showcase what I'm doing. Well, downpipe removed. I took the intake, the intercooler out for a second. The intake manifold, sorry, intercooler on there. The intake out because I had to take off. Well, I took off one stud because this one I just took off just so I could make it easier to reach the one back here. But I had to take that stud off because it's broken. Boom, boom, boom. I would say boom, boom, boom. Anyhow, this stud had broken when I was doing the downpipe gasket, which was a failure because I need to. All right, so I really didn't show what I was doing, but got something on my nose. But since I have to, I'm not gonna spend a whole bunch of money buying a new downpipe. All right, you know what I'm gonna do. I gotta hold them. But anyhow, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to literally machine it by hand, which I have been doing. You see how like the red shows where it's been flattened out at, and as you know, obviously as you know, the flatter it gets, the more the red is gonna spread out. And right now I'm just grinding the red away so I can flatten it out because I'm having that high spot. I'm having a low spot right here. I'm having big leaks, you know, blowing out gaskets and whatnot, and you know, burning them out like the last one I did. So this is gonna replace that. Also, I used a locking pair of vice grips to pull out that broken stud that was inside my turbo. So that's done. Now I'm gonna grind this. All right, so here's my little doodad. So I've been doing this from here, take that, nice and flat, lift it up. Lets you know where the high spots are. Boom, boom. So where it's low, it's not touching. So that's where you get. So when you see what's low right here, you can see what's not touching, and lo and behold, that's exactly where I've been having a leak at. So yeah, it's time to fix that. So this is what we're doing. Oh shit, almost fell. This is what we're doing. And good morning. Well, it's been a few days since I actually got to finish doing the downpipe and everything and getting it all finished and machined by hand, which is pretty dope. You know, I thought I could do it. I imagined it as being possible because when I wasn't going to pay a whole bunch of money for that because it's possible and I had tools for it. So what I did was I went ahead and I took the downpipe off myself and I machined it by hand. Oh yeah. I use my bicycle gloves, my bike gloves when I go to the track. They're good for you know, open finger gloves, and I already had them, and they work, so they match my car. But anyhow, to the downpipe. Yeah, so cheapo downpipe that, you know, went ahead and had the outside bungs re-welded. So nice and good. I went ahead and re-sanded and machined it. So I had a really big gap here. Now it's nice and tight. And I'm really happy about that. I love this IHI turbo. This is a really nice turbo right here. So yeah, so no KO3 IHI. But anyhow, yeah, so yeah. Got it wrapped down pipe and everything. So look, sounds good, feels good, sounds good. I really want to work on that pipe. I'm not really feeling that. I mean, it's tight, smaller here, smaller diameter. It does open up here, but it billows out a lot here. You know, it was supposed to get big and then small the way it did, but I don't know if there's a sharp bend or I don't like it or what, because it's still wide in the back, still wide, and it goes, and it's a smaller diameter for here. And it goes in well. I don't know. I don't know if that's a problem or if it's going to be a problem. But later on, I'll probably switch to the ECS hard pipe kit anyway, so I'm not really too worried about it. I mean, it does breathes well. Everything's all direct and nice and all that good trash. Let's see what we got here. Let's listen to it. Get us a nice old cold start for this morning. on that, and I'm probably definitely gonna be removing that R. It's not because I don't like it, and it was fun when I had it, but I'll be putting my the tune I have. We put my tune sticker there with the stage is gonna be going there, and I'll just probably be removing that one because it looks all ashy. Just like that. Done. This was probably a little harder to remove. Yeah, it's harder to remove. It's harder to remove, but yeah, I'm just cleaning up the bag. Not because I didn't like it. It was fun when I had it, but just to clean it up a little more. I need to sand that down. Need to sand this down and re-clear it. That's what I need to do. You sand it down and re-clear it. Everything sounds nice and pretty. Audi-rific. But yeah, so I'm like, you know, downpipe, you know, I think it was like a $50 downpipe, and I put a little extra money in, put a little time and effort into it, and yeah, works phenomenally.